10 million COVID patients, 100,000 daily new cases. Have we ever seen it before? This is Q for Hyperion. In the past few days, mainstream US media have continuously reported new record number of daily confirmed cases. 100, 120,000. These numbers are heavy. These numbers are shocking. As CNBC reported, US met a bleak milestone. CNN reported as the cases now are rising faster than the testing rates are rising. Coronavirus is raging at levels never before seen during the pandemic. The darkest period is coming. As you know, so far the total confirmed cases in mainland China is about 86,000. This is even less than the daily confirmed cases in the US. But it won't go into catastrophe after you heard another story. No one cares about it in the post-election period. That's why Dr. Fauci felt hopeless and said we are going in the wrong direction and the US may not be back to normal until the end of 2021 or even 2022. No matter who's in the White House, scientific measures should no longer be suppressed. The former director of the CDC, Dr. Thomas Frieden, said there's a falling national response, lack of measures. As the politics kidnap the science, pandemic management has been defeated many times. According to the AP, the incoming Biden administration is promising a cohesive national strategy to combat the worsening outbreak, something many public health officials and Democratic governors say they welcome. Vaccine is the rising hope, but basic measures are still necessary. On November 9th, Pfizer announced an early look at data from its vaccine shows it is more than 90% effective. That's super cool. At the same time, as American Netizen notes, the vaccine can only cover 15 million people by the end of the year, based on current production capacity. So frankly, wearing masks, social distancing testings are still the preferred measures. The last and the most important thing is that it is always better to work together than to fight alone. From vaccine research to the delivery of materials, the truth is that fighting against the virus alone could be the worst gamble.
从3月1日至10月18日，中国对美累计出口口罩377亿只，防护服5.6亿套，呼吸机11701台。
It means that averagely more than 100 masks for every American. And fortunately, some of them are capable to acknowledge the fact. Governor Cuomo wrote in his new book, American Crisis, to positively evaluate China's achievements fighting against the epidemic and thank China for donating materials to the US in the time of crisis. All in all, the world is looking forward to a more active US fighting against the pandemic. This is Q. We will find you later.
We're still facing a very dark winter.
I will spare no effort, none, or any commitment to turn around this pandemic.